today I am going to show you guys how I create this wig hairstyle, and you guys are gonna love it. Now the hair is from Nadula here. I did install this already, and a lot of people asking me, who did my hair? Girl, it's me. So I did take off my nails because I'll be braiding the front of my hair. We're gonna get into it. I literally just take out it just to show you guys how I did it. So we're gonna get into it. So the first thing I did is I already dyed my hair black. Reason for it is I want to do more protective style in my hair, more natural style. So hence why we had to dye the hair. So let's just section this part off, and you guys should know this already. We used to do our hair like this a lot back in Jamaica, so it's a pretty easy hairstyle. So all I need to do is section out this part, which we're doing, so you guys can just keep on watching. I'll come back when it's time to braid.
Love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Atonement for my sin cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all unrighteousness, and it makes no sense to me why you died for your enemies. Now I live, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me.
Alright guys, so this is the wig. Like I said, I installed the wig already, but this is it. It do have two combs at the top right there, one at the side and another at the side. We do have a comb at the back as well, and of course it's a drawstring, which let me show you how you work the drawstring. This is how it is. All you have to do is pull it down as tight as you want it and then bring it down. Then you tuck this part underneath. So before I install it, I will release it, and we are gonna go in right now. I love that they make these small baby ear here. You see that? So it's gonna have that natural effect. Absolutely love that. So
Darkness loses its hold on me. Highs and lows, Lord, you're with me either way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall? Even so, want to let me go.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Let's with another chance.
Hey guys, this is the wig. Yes, I know you love it. I love it too. Y'all saw that I braided my hair, just slide the wig on, and it is perfect. Okay, now I made some baby hair. I didn't use any edge control. I actually used the lace spray to do that, and I added some oops because it's giving throwback. The hairstyle is a whole throwback. Okay, so I had to pull out the oops. Now I love the texture of the hair. I did razor cut some of the top just so it can look really cute. But what are your thoughts? Let me know what you think. I will have a link in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. It's also going to be discounted, so you guys need to grab this wig. Half wig, you don't have to braid your hair. It's going to look so nice. Now I feel like this looks way better than when I did it the first time. I'm not gonna lie, but this is it, y'all. A really quick and easy style. I love it. It's trendy. It's what's going on right now, so why not do it? And I get so many feedbacks, hence why I decided to do it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check the link because the wig will be there. You like it, right? Because I do too.
It just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful